Did you know this about Squid Game 3? Because when the official posters were released, only player 120's badge was hidden. This means that his vote to quit or stay in the games remains unknown. It can also mean that he has something up his sleeves like a hidden VIP player status or something else. The directors also purposely hinted at more VIP players' appearance as they made funny skits of every player wearing a mask in their teaser. From this, we can roughly guess one of the players shown there is secretly a real VIP player controlling the backstage. In the end, Squid Game revealed the final games with a promotional video. It has the popular theory jumping rope game confirmed alongside a mysterious game where players have to choose between blue and red. But if you're excited for the final season, give this video a like and subscribe.